Are you looking for the best facial hair removal in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best facial hair removal that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Verseo eSmooth Permanent Hair Remover. With this hair remover, you can enjoy the convenience of hair removal and you can apply it in the comfort of your home to provide effective results. It is built with a small and portable design that allows you to carry it on the go, making it perfect for use when traveling. Furthermore, it is an ideal hair remover that can be used for your bikini line, underarm, legs, back, chest, cheeks, jaw, and many more. It features both small and large roller tip ball that offers easy coverage, and it is great for all skin types, even the sensitive ones. The removal process is painless, where it passes a balanced electric current through the hair follicle to the root of the hair that prevents it from growing again. Besides, it has bright LED lights that light up when the roller tip makes contact with your skin. At number 4, Finishing Touch Flawless Women's Hair Remover. If you want a hair remover that is suitable for all types of skin, this is the best hair remover to purchase. It is equipped with sharp blades that do not come into contact with your skin to enhance safety. Furthermore, it has butterfly technology that causes no irritation or redness, and it does not pull hair from the root. It has a well-designed on-off button that makes operation easy. The remover is ideal for removing hair from cheeks, upper and lower lip, nose, bikini area, chin, nose, cheeks, eyebrow, legs, and the neck. Moreover, it is powered by a rechargeable battery that provides enough power to finish your shaving tasks. At number 3, Facial Hair Remover for Women. This hair remover for women has unique dual blades that help to remove hair from the chin, jaw, lip, cheeks and many more in an effective and painless manner. The hypoallergic blades will not cause redness or irritation in the shaved parts because they are designed for all types of skin, even the sensitive ones. Furthermore, it has a waterproof rating of IPX6 that makes it easy to wash the remover with running water. This compact razor cuts the hair from the root, leaving your skin smooth without causing irritation. It has a built-in LED light that helps to ensure there is no hair left, and it features a protective net that prevents irritation. At number 2, Facial Hair Remover Replacement Heads. If you have a hair remover and you require some replacement heads, these hair remover heads are the best to purchase. This package comes with 4 hypoallergic replacement heads and 1 cleansing brush. The replacement heads are designed to rotate up to 360 degrees so that it can remove your facial hair smoothly. These heads are made of quality stainless steel with 18 kelvins gold plating to resist scratches and keep the remover looking new every time. At number 1, AmElegant Premium Facial Hair Remover. This is one of the best hair removers to use because it is tested to be safe for all skin types, even the sensitive ones. It is equipped with sharp and non-allergic blades that do not come into contact with your skin to enhance safety. Furthermore, the floating blades technology causes no irritation or redness, and it does not pull hair from the root. It has a well-designed one-button switch that makes operation easy. The remover is ideal for removing hair from cheeks, upper and lower lip, nose, bikini area, chin, nose, cheeks, eyebrow, legs, and the neck. It is powered by a quality battery that is rechargeable using the built-in charging port to eliminate the need of wasting money buying batteries. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.